want to do maintenance on this solar array that you are seeing. Been some months now, and dust has accumulated on the panels, and the generation has dropped. And this morning we want to take a look at the array, look at the connections, make sure that we have every joint working well, every connection working well. Then we do the cleaning of the panels. Critical things, you need to make sure that your joints are dry, you don't have water coming into your MC4 connectors. Those seals are working fine. That is the critical thing. So when you open the joint, which has been running for some years like this, you should be able to see it very dry and clean. Those are the things that we're going to be checking today, to see that all of them are okay. So we do the actual cleaning of the panels. As you can see, we are done for the day. Panels are clean and all the contacts are inspected for dryness. The panels are back to generating. Thank you.